What kills a septic tank? Let's get real. Bleach and other harsh chemicals are the sneaky killers nobody talks about, but they wreck your system way faster than you think. So here's the deal. First off, stop pouring bleach or any strong cleaners down the drain. That stuff kills all the good bacteria your septic tank needs to break down waste. Pump your septic tank every 3 to 5 years, no excuses, to keep it from backing up or collapsing on you. Use septic-safe toilet paper and avoid flushing wipes or anything that doesn't break down easily because clogs and sludge buildup kill your system's flow. Keep heavy stuff like cars or pools off the drain field to prevent crushing the pipes underground. Be mindful of what you put down your drains. Cooking grease, oils, and chemicals mess with the natural breakdown process. Add a septic tank treatment monthly if you want, but don't rely on it as a cure-all. Maintenance is king. Know your tank size. If you don't, call a pro to find out so you can plan pumping schedules right. And lastly, keep an eye on slow drains or bad smells. These early signs mean your system is stressed and needs help before it breaks down totally. One of the biggest mistakes people make with septic tanks is ignoring regular pumping schedules. Waiting too long leads to costly repairs or full replacements because sludge clogs everything up. Another common issue is using harsh chemicals like bleach or antibacterial soaps. These kill the beneficial bacteria that keep your tank working and cause system failure. The third mistake is flushing non-degradable items. Think baby wipes, feminine products, or too much toilet paper, which cause blockages and damage your drain field. Fix these by scheduling routine inspections, switching to septic-safe products, and educating everyone in the house on what's okay to flush or pour down drains. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid resource for homeowners who need help finding trusted local contractors for septic tank maintenance and repairs. It also hooks up contractors with steady work by connecting them directly to people in their area looking for reliable services.